Hey guys, welcome back to Spring Design once again. And today's topic is the difference between Angular, React, and Vue. So there are a lot of frameworks, and we are basically focused about three frameworks. That is Angular, React, and Vue. Why? Because they are so popular nowadays. People are moving like there is some craze about React, Vue, and Angular. So while we'll make some late, let's discuss all about. So here I have given 3 points. The points are like left side, and in Angular, React, and Vue I have separated, and we'll go one by one. The main thing, like the why who developed this Angular, React, and Vue? So it is developed by Google in 2010 and Facebook 2013 by Facebook. React is developed by Facebook 2013 and Vue by Ivan Yu, which like he was previous employee of Google, and lately he started his own independent programming through Vue.js. So he created Vue.js. So it has a craze market now about Vue.js. So DOM, you will specify the DOM. It is like MBVT follows MVC structure, model view controller structure, which we'll talk about later. What is the difference between DOM, virtual DOMs, MVC, and all this together. Okay. Next, React follows virtual DOM, and Vue.js follows virtual DOM. App size. So I thought that I'll give a chance to it. So I downloaded. So I created three projects: Angular, React, and Vue. That is only simple boilerplate starter project. And when I did like ng build prod aot, it is the command for Angular to build the application, I got like 675 kb of the build file. One thing I will add: if you do only ng build, you will be getting around 15 MB to 16 MB around. Okay, so if you want to reduce those things, you have to use ng build dash dash product dash dash AOT. And in React, I have I started a project and did npm run build, and I got 490 kb, and for Vue same, and I got 600 kb. So you can see the difference, right? So one positive thing about Angular is it is bidirectional, the data binding. Like, okay, so the data binding is like you have input and you want to show in somewhere, so like button click, and you want to show something below something anywhere. So it is very easy in Angular, and it is like little complicated on React and Vue. So okay, let's move to next slide. Rendering. So it has Angular is a framework, right? And React and Vue is library. We can import, and you can use the script, and it will be easy to go. You can directly play in that. But Angular is a framework, so we cannot include that thing in backend. So it is only specially for client, and also mobile application there you can use in there. That we'll talk later next video. So in React we can both, and Vue we can both for go for client and server. So learning curve, see, I don't feel that much bad about Angular because I feel it is easy. The documentation is very clear, very nice. So I feel easy to go ahead with Angular, but it uses TypeScript, which is a little not that much complicated, but it is fine. It is fine. And in React and Vue, it is learning curve is very fine. It's easy. Startup time is average here in Angular. And React, when I started the project, I thought that I will put a stopwatch or like timer. So I got little longer time in React, and Vue.js was very quick. And documentation is very best. React, oh my god, it is poor. And Vue, it is very fine. Performance, okay, performance, it is fine. Okay, there is no problem in performance, but the thing is where we should use these applications. Okay, so later in this slide we'll talk about that. So support is basically we are getting support from Google, and a regular update from for Angular. Okay, actually Angular JS came first, but after some modification it was not that much handy, so they moved to Angular 2 plus 3 like 4 5, and now it is 9. So here React also having great support by Facebook team, and also in Vue we are like starting eye-catching day by day with the growing community, and all the stuffs is happening. So current version, okay, I have mentioned 9 and 16.13.1 is React, and for Vue it is 2.6.11. Ideal for heavy large scale application. Which one? Angular. Okay, because if you want to build an enterprise application very large, thing, then you should probably go for Angular. But if you want to like React also, you can handle those kind of stuff. But if you just want to SEO stuffs and very easy and quick application with some, you don't need the large framework for it, so you don't need to directly go to React. And if it is startup ideas and all, you can directly choose Vue.js. Official site https angular.io, it is react.org and vue.js.org. So used by like so many things are there, but I cannot name it. Okay, that is my mistake. Gmail should come here. Angular and React is little like opposite each other. I did a mistake here. Okay, that is, you can please think. And Vue, we are using Alibaba, Grammarly, and Facebook Newsfeed. Cool. So late I thought that I will put some npm trends. So when I see here like the downloads in last 6 months is very high in for React.js, and for Angular and Vue it is okay as you can see here, but React is top notch. So again, I went to GitHub to see the stats. So Angular is only 62.4K and React 151K and Vue.js it is 166 stars, K stars. Fine. Okay, so let's talk about the Indian job market. Okay, I searched in Indeed about Vue.js, so I got around like 391 job. Okay, maybe some glitches or something, but 391. But you never lose hope. You can go ahead with this technology. One technology is fine. Later on, you can move to other technology. It is very easy. And when I searched React.js, I got 2,387 jobs in India market. Maybe the such tag is not that much, but I don't know. But Angular, we got 5,693 jobs. Same applied here for Naukri. When I searched, I got 15,258 Angular jobs, and React I got 41,794 jobs, and Vue, yes, it is less because market is growing, so 450. So we can see that Angular and React the people are using, like you can guess like who is winning. And okay, so installation part, so it is very see 1.21 minute it took to create the Angular project. Okay, and for React it took 2.5 minutes, and for Vue it took 1.47 minutes. So these are the steps: npm install -g globally we're installing Angular, then ng new project creating, and cd, and then cd demo app and ngserve. Okay, like this step goes to React: npm install -g globally, create React app, create React app, demo app, cd demo app, npm strat. See the same process for Vue.js: npm install -g, add Vue CLI, Vue create Vue app, cd Vue app, npm run serve. So finally, it is a like very like long talk maybe, but I hope you guys have like you guys have got some ideas about it. I'm very much clear that in future I'll produce so many videos in development friendly topics. So please guys subscribe my channel that I'll get some boost and I'll make new videos for you. Thank you.